Hey, I'm James from JBS, and I want to do an install vid for our Delrin washer and our stainless washer. But this don't matter if you don't have a spring, a quality spring that doesn't fit the cup right. As you can see on this spring, it will actually turn the cup, and all of our springs are made and checked to fit the cup. You'll never have to grind one of our springs. You can actually see where it was rubbing inside the cup there on the spring while I was trying to turn it. You'll never have to do that with one of our springs, or you'll never lose no tension. These springs was made by IBOC for JBS, and they put a lot of time in it to make sure they're the best there is. All right, first you'll install the Delrin, and then you'll install the stainless on top of it. And the stainless keeps the spring from making an indent in the Delrin. And once you put them in there, then you'll put your cap back on the spring and you're good to go. Thanks. Check us out on hotrodforums.net.